Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming basics that directly affect sound. Check Windows 10 build and the Bluetooth adapter driver, and update if behind. Once done, put the AirPods Pro in pairing mode and remove old pairings so the OS negotiates fresh codecs. Make sure Windows audio output is set to the Bluetooth stereo profile if you want high-quality music, versus hands-free, which prioritizes calls. This avoids the common low-fidelity trap and primes your system for precise settings next. Now you'll fix the middle-level causes of poor fidelity by targeting drivers and profiles. First, install the OEM Bluetooth driver rather than the generic one because it often enables AAC or aptX support. Next, open Bluetooth device properties and disable hands-free telephony for the AirPods Pro to force the stereo audio sync when streaming music. If your adapter supports enhanced codecs, prioritize that hardware. Otherwise, consider a USB Bluetooth dongle that explicitly lists. Finish by restarting Windows Audio Services and reconnecting the AirPods Pro, then play a high bitrate track to verify improvement. Make sure Windows sound enhancements are off and confirm app-level sample rates match your expectations so resampling doesn't degrade quality. If you still hear artifacts, reset the AirPods Pro and repair to clear misnegotiated codec states. And as a key troubleshooting tip, test with a different Bluetooth adapter. Many quality problems originate from adapter limitations rather than the earbuds themselves.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.